In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an image in Descript, an immensely powerful tool known for its simplicity in video and audio editing. Whether you're new to Descript or just exploring its myriad features, this tutorial will guide you through the process of seamlessly integrating images into your projects, enhancing their quality and visual appeal. Let's dive right in. To begin, you'll want to open the Descript application on your computer. Make sure you have it installed and updated to the latest version to access all the features we'll be discussing today. Once you've launched Descript, look for the New Project button. Go ahead and click on it. This will open a prompt to name your project. Pick a title that's relevant to your video content for easy identification later on. Once you've settled on a name, click Create to set up your workspace. With your project now open, it's time to bring in your video. You can simply drag and drop your video file directly into the project window. Once imported, Descript will do its magic by automatically transcribing the audio into text. This transcription feature is incredibly helpful as it allows you to edit your video directly from the text, almost like editing a document. Now, you're one step closer to adding that image. The key step here is where you decide to place your image. Within Descript's interface, locate the transcript section where you want your image to appear. Use your cursor to click on that specific part of the transcript. This is a crucial part because the image will be anchored to this text segment, appearing in the timeline at this exact moment. With your placement chosen, head back to your computer's files and find the image you wish to incorporate. Drag your image file from your computer and drop it directly into the selected spot in your transcript. It's as simple as that. The image will appear precisely where you've placed it in the script, providing a visual complement to the accompanying narrative. Integrating images into a video with Descript can significantly elevate the viewer's experience, making your content more engaging and illustrative. By placing images contextually within the script, you ensure that your audience receives visual cues that reinforce the spoken narrative, fostering better understanding and retention. With these steps, you've successfully added an image to your Descript project. Remember, practice makes perfect, and the more you familiarize yourself with Descript's intuitive tools, the smoother your editing process will become. Enjoy exploring and creating with Descript, and see how visual enhancements can make your content stand out. Thank you for watching, and happy editing!